Get yourself a copy of the free GDoc Creator. It lets you create, print, and view your Microsoft Office docs to PDF or XPS. Download a copy right now at butterscotch.com/gdoc. That's butterscotch.com/gdoc.
Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on what is a host. Now, if we've been invited to a Christmas party, this might well be our host, or perhaps this fellow over here. But we're talking about a computer host, and in computers, a host is a computer system that's accessed by individuals from a remote location, and it serves up the information that they want. So for example, Butterscotch.com is a host. It's hosting tutorials, articles, software downloads, and all these things are being hosted so that remote users, called clients, can go and request the information from the host, just like you go to a party and you request a drink from the host or appetizers. So too, a host computer is providing the things to the client, which is the remote user. Another way that host is used in computers is to say that Pair Networks hosts my website because this is who I have my site with. So that's just another way to use the word host. But either way, a host is a computer system that has information. It's accessed by remote users who are clients, and it provides them with that information. And that's all there is to it.